Well, how are we? You're camping with Flo, and we are camping. We are self camping under a bridge, actually under a train bridge, and we are right underneath the tracks. Have a little look. Wow, wow, that's loud, man. That's really loud. So we got this set up. Really can't see. Got the stove, the pillow. That's the bag. All right, let's go have a look. That's how close we are. We're self camping, baby. We are up there. We are stealth camping up there, baby. That's a train bridge.